Hi everyone, I'm Ali Reza. Welcome to this course. In this course, we will talk about input and output. This tutorial focuses on two built-in functions, print and input, to perform I/O task in Python. Also, you will learn to import modules and use them in your program. Python provides numerous built-in functions that are readily available to us. At the Python prompt, some of the functions like input and print are widely used for standard input and output operations, respectively. Let's see the output section first. Python output using print function. We use the print function to output data to the standard output device screen. We can also output data to a file, but this will be discussed later. An example of its use is given like this. Print this sentence is output to the screen. Output. This sentence is output the screen. Another example is given below. As I say, a equals 5, print the value of a is, comma a, output the value of a is 5. I hope you get that. I hope you understand. Input and output section is very easy in Python tutorial. Don't worry about that. Just rewatch the video and type what I type, code what I code. Just do what I do and listen to me carefully. In the second print statement, we can notice that space was added between the string and the value of variable a. This is by default, but we can change it. The actual syntax of the print function is print objects sep equal. Here objects is the value or values to be printed. The separator is used between the values. It defaults into a space character after all values are printed and is printed. It defaults into a new line. The file is the object where the values are printed and its default value is sys.stdout. Here is an example to illustrate this. Print 1234. Print 1234 sep equal up comma store up comma, and you will see what the output is. Output formatting. Sometimes we would like to format our output to make it look attractive. This can be done by using the str.format method. This method is visible to any string objects. Try it yourself. Here the curly braces are used as placeholders. We can specify the order in which they are printed by using numbers, tuple index. We can even use keyword arguments to format the string. We can also format strings like the old sprintf parentheses style used in C programming language. Use the percent operator to accomplish this. Python input. Up until now, our program were static. The value of variables was defined or hard-coded into the source code. To allow flexibility, we might want to take the input from the user. In Python, we have the input function to allow this. The syntax for input is where prompt is the string we wish to display on the screen. It is optional. Here we can see that the entered value 10 is a string, not a number. To convert this into a number, we can use int or float functions. This same operation can be performed using the eval function, but eval takes it further. It can evaluate even expressions provided the input is a string. Python importer. When our program grows bigger, it is a good idea to break it into different modules. A module is a file containing Python definitions and statements. Python modules have a file name and end with the extension py. Definitions inside the module can be imported to another module or interactive interpreter in Python. We use the import keyword to do this. For example, we can import the math module by typing the following line, import math. We can use the module in the following ways: import math, print math.py. Output 3.1415 and etc. Now all definitions inside math modules are available in our scope. We can also import some specific attributes and functions only using the from keyword. While importing a module, Python looks at several places defined in the list of directory locations. We can also add our own location to the list. To be useful, the program usually needs to communicate with the outside world by obtaining input data from the user and displaying result data back to the user. This tutorial will introduce you to Python input and output. That was what I said in the beginning. By the end of this tutorial, you know how to take user input from the keyword with the built-in function input, display output to the console with the built-in function print, format string data with a string module operator. Without further ado, let's dive in. Okay, this session is over. Thank you so much. I will see you in the next session. Thanks for watching. The next session will be talking about selection. Feel free to leave any comments.